What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Weekend Diecast. I saw the Pop Race recently did a pre-order of this Ford Mustang Shelby in red, and I was like, that looks very familiar. And it turns out that it's just a different colorway than this XCartoys Mustang Shelby in blue. It's quite interesting because these two brands usually release products at the same time. You know, XCartoys sells in mainland China, and Pop Race just does the marketing to the rest of the world. And I guess this time XCartoys just exclusively released this first colorway, and then they're going to do the red color together later, I guess. So, well, let's just take a look at this one together today. It is. So this is 2019 version Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R, and X33-1 is that's the first colorway. So double licensing, here it is, double licensing with Ford and Shelby, just for your information here. And what GT350R, different from the GT350, is more like a more racing version. So you can see it has the front lip and side skirt and go all the way to the back. You can see there's a wing here in the back. So pretty accurate job done by XCartoys here. A beautiful metallic blue color with the racing stripes in the middle and in matte finish. Very smoothless transitioning from the shiny metallic to the matte, and here in the middle, see a little metallic as well. So very smooth transition. And 350R 5.2 liter V8 engine. Let's look at the engine. Let's pop the hood together first. So this one has opening hood, and inside a lot of beautiful details here. Naturally aspirated V8 engine in the middle, and the strut bar right across here, and you can see some color differences, right? So very beautiful here. And you can see the white color. This tank thing is the coolant tank, and here the air filter in yellow. And what else here? Even though some compartments does not have a different colors, but you can still tell they are quite detailed, nicely carved. And even on the back of the front hood, it has all the like soundproof stuff. This front grille, look at the front grille. When is the last time you see a fully carved out or hollowed front grille here? Photo edged separate pieces for the front grille, as well as this side blades here are all separate pieces. The headlights are, this one is not very clear. The headlights is, you can see the regular drive lights, and then the high beam lights in the back. And the fog lights are just painted fog lights. And here, look at this air intakes detail here, just beautifully done. And here, I think I have a little chip here. I did this myself, so it's not some quality control issue. I did this myself. This car is not carbon fiber, and the interior is quite nice as well. I think we're probably going to open this up to see the interiors later on. The Ford emblem in the middle here, and right here you can see the Shelby Cobra emblem in red. Not super sharp, but it's there. On the side, beautiful wheels and matte finished spoke, and it's the Ford sign in the middle. 5 lug nuts, and guess what? As always, it has the brake disc and the caliper details. Calipers in red, nicely replication of the real car here. Red caliper. The side mirrors are hard rubber, and you can see the air vents behind this front wheel. Very smooth paint. Judging by the reflection of the lights, you can see how smooth this thing is. And the gas cap. Here's the rear view. Defrosting lines. They're very thin and transparent as well. Here's the classic Mustang taillights. 3-piece taillights here. And of course, it's a acrylic piece. The Ford license plate here. And this one, you can open the hood as well, even though there's nothing in the back. You have a nice, consistent like resistance here. The hood will stay open if you just leave it like that. Same as the front hood here too. So exhaust pipes, you have 4 of those, and the mufflers here, they're in silver. And in the back you can see those pipes and stuff. XCartoys 2025. Transmissions here. As I said, we shall open this thing. Usually XCartoys does a good job interior wise. So we'll see this one if there's any surprises, right? Alright, here we go. First, metal base with the wheels are integrated in the base. I guess that's a good, because if you take this out, the calipers and disc is going to fly everywhere, so it's kind of hard to put it back together. So I guess I like this kind, but it might be hard for you to replace the wheel, but you already have a nice set of wheels. You don't want to replace that. And here is part of the interior seat. 350R only has 2 seats here, so that's pretty accurate. The shifting and a cup holder here. Center console. And here you can see the dashboard, steering wheels. You can see some silver colors here. It even has a rear view mirror. See that? It's nicely done. And I probably don't want to remove these 2 screws because it's gonna mess up with my resistancy of the front hood and back trunk. So I've did this before, but when I put them back together, it just does not feel right anymore. So I'm gonna leave this on, as you already can see what's going on inside. So yeah, that's all I want to show you guys today. Hope you liked the video, and if you are a American muscle car fan, definitely recommend to get this car. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.